Hello and welcome to another update video about gold as we are heading into a new trading week. Just want to remind you of the relevant levels and developments here of the chart or on the chart. I'm currently looking for a bullish continuation to the upside in general here on the gold chart. That view is, in my opinion, likely and valid until we break below 1865. That means as long as we hold 1865, I won't see a need to change my view. However, there are a couple of ways how this could play out, this bullish outcome. It's a little bit unclear. The silver chart is a little bit clearer. At the moment, it provides a clearer setup to continue to the upside. Gold is fine as well, but on the gold chart here, I'm looking at the first scenario, which is bullish, after we reversed obviously out of our trend reversal area here around the 8th of March, that this was a wave 1 which peaked on the 19th of March. We came down in a nice ABC correction in a wave 2. This was another 5-wave move up which peaked in April, came down in a wave 2 again. So we have a 1-2, 1-2 setup, and that's the most bullish breakout count that is valid as long as we are holding the 1982 level. Then we have another 1-2 setup, but this should really be it now, right? That should really be it. I can count an A wave down in this wave 2. Let me zoom in. I can count a B wave up, and I can count 5 waves down in a C wave of wave 2. So if this indeed is a wave 2, the next rally should have started. We already see a bullish engulfing candle here, okay? But then it would now need to follow through and break above the wave 1 high at 2088. If we do that, then I think we are in the heart of a third wave rally that will push higher, maybe into the $2,300, $2,400 region without any stronger pullbacks. So that's the primary expectation. We would need to hold that level that I mentioned, and then we can push higher in a really bullish setup that will probably continue until the end of the year, maybe even longer. Another scenario which I'm following as well, which is very similar, would allow the price to drop into the yellow support region. So far we did hold the orange one here, but price could drop back into yellow. That wouldn't be a problem. That wouldn't really be a problem, because the scenario would then mean that just a deeper pullback in an overall uptrend. So I can make a case to count this entire move as a wave 1. Then this was just an A wave. We had an overshooting B wave, and we're now coming down in a C wave of a wave 2, and we could then rally from there. This is possible. At the moment, not necessarily the preferred option. That's why it's the alternative count, a deeper pullback, but it's certainly on the table. And as long as we're holding that 78.6 FIB level down there in the yellow box at 1865, the overall trend to the upside and the overall expectation to continue to rally to the upside, that's all intact, okay? And I believe there is not really much more to talk about. Support levels are clear. Breakout point is clear. Invalidation points are clear. Trend is up. And I think if this is going to play out, and if we hold that 1865 level down there, I think we have a good case for further bullish upside towards the, in the remainder of the year, really, throughout 2023. It's gonna, we still have, the majority of the year left ahead of us, and it could be quite a bullish year. But obviously the condition is that $1865 level needs to hold, because below that level, we're dropping into a price region that is just not likely support anymore. And then I think we have a situation that we need to look for new bear market lows below the October lows. But for now, I don't see a risk there. At the moment, it is actually pushing. A lot of people are still waiting for new lows, okay? Everybody who's waiting and has been waiting for new lows missed the entire rally. So yeah, I mean, again, anybody who, for example, entered here in the yellow box, entered here in the green box, can just now manage risk, and if price comes down, the levels are known, then that's what it is, and another lower entry point is possible. But as long as bullish support is holding, a bearish perspective, in my opinion, is not really helpful here. Okay, that's my update about gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.